The dumbest thing we can do with money is to spend it impulsively, right? And to spend it beyond our means. But there are 4 smart factors to spending money, and if your expenses fit into these factors, well, you're spending smartly. Firstly, you have to spend money to make money. Second, you need to spend money to save time. Third, you need to spend money to invest in your mental and physical health. And last, you spend money to make memories with your friends and family. So here are 10 smart ways to spend your money to make sure the benefits you get outweigh what you're spending. 1. Dinner with someone who inspires and motivates you. When you're diligently saving money, going out for dinner might feel like an unnecessary luxury. However, dining with someone who inspires and motivates you can be incredibly valuable. These dinners don't have to be extravagant. The key is the company and the conversation. When you spend time with successful, positive people, their energy and insights can be contagious. They can offer new perspectives, advice, and motivation that can help you realign your goals and recharge your determination. Imagine sitting down with a mentor or a role model, discussing their journey, learning from their experiences, and getting personalized advice. These interactions can be the catalyst for new ideas and renewed enthusiasm in your own pursuits. 2. Educate yourself about your financial, mental, and physical health. Investing in your education, especially in areas such as financial literacy, mental health, and physical well-being, is crucial. This education can come from various sources: books, online courses, seminars, or even counseling sessions. When you understand how to manage your finances, you avoid costly mistakes and learn to make your money work for you. Similarly, mental health education can help you develop coping strategies for stress, improve your resilience, and enhance your overall quality of life. Physical health education can teach you about nutrition, exercise, and preventive health care. Knowledge in these areas equips you to make informed decisions that lead to a healthier, more balanced life. For example, understanding how to create a budget, manage debt, or invest wisely can transform your financial stability. Similarly, learning stress management techniques or nutritional basics can have profound effects on your daily well-being. 3. A hobby that keeps you out of trouble. Hobbies are more than just pastimes. They are essential for mental and physical health. Engaging in a hobby keeps you busy and focused, reducing the likelihood of spending money impulsively or engaging in detrimental activities. Choose a hobby that excites you but is also affordable. Physical hobbies like bouldering or rock climbing are fantastic because they keep you active and fit while providing a fun and challenging experience. Many climbing gyms offer memberships that include all necessary equipment, making it an economical choice. Hobbies can also be creative or intellectual, like painting, writing, or learning a new language. These activities provide a sense of accomplishment, reduce stress, and improve your overall happiness. When you're engrossed in a hobby, you're less likely to spend money on frivolous things and more likely to invest in something that enriches your life. 4. Regular blood tests. Regular blood tests are an essential, proactive investment in your health. These tests can reveal a lot about your body, such as nutritional deficiencies, metabolic disorders, and potential health risks. By identifying issues early, you can make lifestyle changes or seek treatments that prevent more serious health problems down the line. For example, discovering a vitamin deficiency can lead you to adjust your diet or take supplements, preventing related health issues like fatigue or weakened immunity. Understanding your cholesterol levels can prompt you to make dietary changes that reduce your risk of heart disease. Regular health monitoring through blood tests ensures you are informed about your health status and can take appropriate actions to maintain or improve it. 5. Healthy food choices. While healthy food often costs more than processed or junk food, it is a critical investment in your long-term health. Good nutrition is the foundation of a healthy life, preventing a range of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Investing in fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides your body with essential nutrients needed for optimal function. You don't have to buy all organic or the most expensive options, but prioritizing quality over quantity makes a significant difference. For example, incorporating more vegetables and lean proteins into your diet can improve your energy levels, enhance your immune system, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Over time, the benefits of eating well will save you from costly medical bills and improve your overall quality of life. 6. Gym membership or fitness classes. Investing in physical fitness is one of the best decisions you can make for your health. A gym membership or fitness classes encourage you to stay active, which is essential for preventing diseases and maintaining mental health. Regular exercise reduces stress, boosts mood, enhances cognitive function, and improves sleep quality. Finding a physical activity you enjoy ensures you stick with it. Whether it's lifting weights, joining a dance class, doing yoga, or simply walking on a treadmill, staying active has immediate and long-term benefits. For instance, consistent exercise can help manage weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve cardiovascular health. Moreover, the social aspect of gym classes or sports can provide a sense of community and motivation. 7. Quality clothing and shoes. Quality over quantity is a wise mantra when it comes to clothing and shoes. While it might be tempting to buy cheaper, trendy items, investing in well-made, timeless pieces pays off in the long run. Quality clothing lasts longer, fits better, and looks more polished. When you buy clothes that reflect your personal style and are made to last, you save money by not needing frequent replacements. Moreover, good quality clothing and shoes provide better comfort and support, which is crucial for your overall well-being. For example, a well-constructed pair of shoes can prevent foot problems and discomfort, while well-tailored clothing can boost your confidence and professional appearance. By building a wardrobe of classic, durable pieces, you project an image of reliability and care, both personally and professionally. 8. Family date days. Creating memories with your family is one of the most meaningful ways to spend your money. Family date days, such as outings, trips, or special activities, strengthen bonds and provide a break from the daily grind. These experiences don't have to be extravagant. Even simple activities like a picnic in the park or a movie night can create lasting memories. Spending quality time with your family fosters deeper connections, improves communication, and builds a supportive environment. For instance, taking a day trip to a nearby town or spending an afternoon hiking can create shared experiences that everyone will remember fondly. These moments of togetherness contribute significantly to your and your family's emotional well-being. 9. A course that opens up other job opportunities. Continuing education is a strategic investment in your career and personal growth. Taking courses that enhance your skills or provide new qualifications can open up job opportunities and increase your earning potential. These courses don't have to be directly related to your current job. They can be in areas you are passionate about or industries you might want to explore in the future. For example, learning a new language, acquiring coding skills, or getting certified in project management can diversify your skill set and make you more competitive in the job market. Even if you don't use these skills immediately, they provide you with options and flexibility in your career. Investing in education demonstrates a commitment to personal and professional growth, which can be rewarding in many ways. 10. A good bed and pillow. Considering we spend about a third of our lives sleeping, investing in a good bed and pillow is crucial. Quality sleep is fundamental to your overall health, affecting your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. An uncomfortable bed or pillow can lead to poor sleep quality, resulting in various health issues such as back pain, sleep disorders, and impaired mental function. Your ideal mattress and pillow should support your preferred sleep position and provide the right balance of comfort and support. For example, side sleepers might need a softer mattress to cushion their shoulders and hips, while back sleepers benefit from firmer support. Similarly, the right pillow can prevent neck pain and improve your sleep quality. Investing in good sleep products ensures that you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day, ultimately enhancing your quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional tips or personal experiences to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos. See you next time.